So, back again. But before I get started, why the thing that goes in the phone, the lightning charger thing, because I have an old phone, I have an iPhone 13, broke to the microphone that I use. So I can't even use this thing now. That's like the adapter thing, but now I would need to use this, I guess, in my laptop for it to work. But I'm gonna just hope and pray that y'all can hear me even without the microphone, because I'm not yelling, but my family says I talk loud all the time, so there's that. Okay, I'm gonna try to use my drill. That is actually dying right now. I need to charge it, and I'm trying to see if I could if it's working. If it'll work. And truth be told, I need another drill, and I need new bits. But what are you gonna do? You gotta work with what you got. Am I tightening this? I'm not tightening it. No. Now I forget which way I was supposed to do it. It's supposed to be righty tighty, lefty loosey. But I guess, yeah, I'm definitely losing that up. So, let me do this the right way. Okay, yeah, there we go. That's tight. Let me make sure I'm going the right way with the drill. And let's see if I can get this one off. And as you can see, it's rusty. I think I did spray these with PB Blaster. Oh, look, it's... Nope. Those are really in there. And I don't want to... Wow. Well. Okay. I don't even remember if I sprayed those with PB Blaster, but I'm going to do it so I can get all these off. And I'll try to let that sit a little bit for a good, I don't know, at least 15 minutes. I got these caps for the propane lines to cap them off for this thing. I just hope they're the right size. If not, then that's going to be another roadblock and another example of me thinking that I was prepared and absolutely was not prepared. So annoying. Yeah, so I was asking ChatGPT yesterday, like, which way I'm supposed to hold this in order to cut the wire, and it's apparently in this direction, like going like this as opposed to doing it like this. Now I thought this would have been the right way, but I guess it has to be like that. I don't see what the big deal is, but you know, and ChatGPT is not always correct, as we know, so I'll see what works. And I guess it also depends on like the angle, like how you can get into the pipe, you know. I think that matters a bit. So like I said before, I put PB Blaster on here and on here, and I feel like this thing right here is like a node or some rod thing that I learned about, like researching other water heaters or whatever, and apparently you got to change them out like every year or so. This is obviously rusted beyond belief. And I have another, I have like a toolbox, but it's for like, it's like a mechanic's toolbox that has like these like wrenches and stuff. And like, I don't know if you can see how, I'm trying to put this closer, you can see just how rusty that is. That shit is crazy. It's super duper rusty. So, yeah, I don't even know. You have to do one of those. Hold it and then hold it with one. And those aren't even, they're all like too big. So, once again, not prepared. So I'll have to get the right size, the right size wrenches, I guess, which are not in my immediate vicinity. So there's that. I have to stop saying so much. Yeah, ugh. Let me go get, I'm gonna go get the other toolbox, the other toolbox. Okay, I'm back. This thing is heavy. All right. Okay, as it turns out, what I have is not what I need. I don't think. Oh wait, no. Okay, wait. Oh, what's that? Okay, shit. Why I can't get this out? Can't get the drawer all the way out. Anyway, I have smaller wrenches. I can't pull it out. This is ridiculous. It shouldn't be this difficult for a drawer to fucking slide out and come out. Alright. Am I an idiot? I might be. This bitch is not coming out. Yeah, this is not good content right now. Shit. Okay. Oh, there we go. Pull it all the way out. Did I break it? Who knows? So I got more of these. This is 9/16. And let's be real, I don't know sizes. I can't really look at these things and tell they are. Although I do vaguely remember something about something being 3/8, but I don't know what that is with these. Oh, that's just 3/8. But okay, 3/8 is the size of the pipe, but not the size of the flange. So that doesn't look. Let me find out I don't got the right sizes, because that would, that would make sense that I don't have the right size, because, yeah. Ooh. Oh, look at these. These are even smaller ones. Midget wrench set. I'm gonna keep it a buck. Didn't know that was in there because I hadn't gone that far back with this thing yet. Now for this, I used some other pieces for stuff, but okay. So I got 5/8, 11/16, 9/16 and 1/2 inch. I know I have a bigger one inside, but I think it's too big. I wish that I could use like this side for things, but I guess I can't. 11/16 is too small. I guess I could cut it, but I don't really know what to do. I wonder. I think I'm gonna end up just cutting this just to. I think that'll make it a lot easier. Because I don't know how to really get in there with the wrenches. I guess the ones that I have are not really working. And then I would have to put one of these caps on there, assuming that oh, you know what, I was calling it flange. These are flares. Good God. This fucking thing open. Oh, because it's taped, dummy. I'm like, why can't it open? Because it's taped. Because I never opened it. I never used it. I got it because I knew I would need it, but I never opened it. Genius. Alright. Okay. Also, out in the sun, it's kind of hard to see clear tape on a plastic container. Oh my God, where's your utility knife when you need it? I'll tell you where it's at. It's in my purse, which is also not near me right now. So a lot of good that's doing me right now. Anyway, I'm sure this is boring as shit. I'm gonna see now. All right, here's a crazy question. If I cut the pipe, how do I put this flare cap on there if it's threaded? And when I'm cutting the end of the pipe, it's not gonna be like the end of the pipe. It's gonna be like there'll be nothing to grip on it. I don't know how that's gonna work. So I'm going to have to research that because it didn't dawn on me until really just now. I thought, like, I was assuming that when I would put these flare caps on, it would be like on a regular thing and not something that I actually cut. So, and I have 4 of them. But yeah, now I have to figure this out. So, anyway, thanks for watching. I will be back when I have more to talk about and show you. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And one of these days, I will actually be airstreaming in these streets, come hell or high water. Peace.